This is OPPO A98 and today I would like to show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. So let me do exactly that. Then, upon installing, launch the app, tap at the green continue option, allow or do not allow app notifications from it as you please. Then skip this ad. Finally, in order to connect this device to VPN, you gotta tap at this caret icon over there, allow or confirm the connection request, or accept rather. Then wait a few seconds for this cute little rabbit to do its magic. And as you can see, your device gets connected to VPN. While at it, you can change server, country, or even the city that you are currently connected to. Let me skip this ad first. So tap over here. Then you should be able to see various servers you can connect to. Here they are. And just choose whatever city you would like to reconnect your VPN to. And finally, in order to turn the VPN off, tap at this cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.